Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Hope you're well today and welcome to today's 5 Minute Friday. What we're doing today is we're potting up a chili plant, and part of the reason we're doing it now is the spring this year has been much colder than it has been in the last few years. So it's kind of a reminder really, these are subtropical plants. You don't want to put them out too early, and when you're potting them up, you need to bear that in mind. For example, this is what I'm going to pot the plant into, which will look great on a patio, but it's not going to fit particularly well on a windowsill, and in some cases conservatories or greenhouse. So sometimes it's better to keep the plant in this pot for a little bit longer than maybe you thought was the time to do it, just because the weather isn't really good enough. So I'm going to pot them into here. I'll pot this plant into here. This is really the biggest I want to jump up in pot size. So you start off, this is a 9 centimetre, this started off as a plug plant and then into a 9 centimetre. We're going to pot it into this patio pot where it's going to stay. And this is quite a relatively small compact variety, so this will be perfect. The temptation is to jump up massively. I've seen people go from a 9 centimetre up to pots sort of this size. The problem with that is you're not going to benefit a huge amount. It takes up a lot of space, it's hard to move if the weather does get cold again. Plus it's very easy to overwater when you're in a massive pot, because all that compost holds a lot of water, so bear that in mind. Right, so what I want to do is I've got a good quality multi-purpose compost just here. I'm just going to fill this almost all the way to the top. So I'm going to make it just shy of the top. Now chilies being fruiting plants, they need a reasonable amount of water. So if the weather's really warm, then we have to water them quite a bit, and sometimes even twice a day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the compost just shy of the top. Stamp that down a little bit, get rid of any air gaps. Just top that up a little bit. So I've left quite a bit of space here. You can see it's almost 2 fingers depth roughly. Yeah, about that. What that does is when you water it, what you'll find is if you filled it all the way to the top here, the water will just, or you'll lose some water just off the side. Doing this means we water it, we water the compost, and at least it's going to soak into the compost, which is good. So we're planting one plant in here. Just going to make a hole bigger than the root ball. You can tell the size of the root ball because it's the same size as the pot. So just like that. Then I'm just going to squeeze the pot to release the plant roots, just like that, and then just pull that off gently. Okay, then we just drop it in the hole. Now you'll notice I didn't push it down. We don't want to push it down, don't want to firm it down too much. Just like that. It's as simple as that, and that's the right depth. What we aim to do there is the depth that it was in the pot, we just replicate that in this new pot, and then all that's left to do is give it a good water. At this stage you really can't overwater too much, and the sun has come out for filming this, so it's going to be quite thirsty, and we just give it a good water. Make sure the water really sinks in. And at the moment the weather's really nice. It's probably about 23-24 degrees today, so it could go outside, but we're still getting cold nights, and it's the nights that are going to catch us out, or cold winds or something like that. So keep an eye on the weather. I know we all want to put our chilies on the patio, but keep an eye on the weather. Anything below sort of 14-15 degrees, maybe put it in a more sheltered position for those cold periods of time. Any questions at all, as always with our 5 Minute Fridays, get in contact. See you soon.